Hello students, welcome to Pythonically. In this video we are going to see assignment operators in Python. Assignment operators are basically used to assign a constant or a variable value to some other variable. So for instance, an equals sign is an assignment operator because it assigns the value on the right side of the equal operator to the variable on the left side. So there are basically 7 main assignment operators in Python, and we will see them one by one. It's a very easy concept, and we will see it with the help of examples. So let's first see assign operator. The symbol for assign operator is basically an equals to sign, and suppose we have a variable. Suppose we have a variable name, and we assign a value of Mike to it. So this is how the assignment operator works. This value Mike will be assigned to this variable name. Let's assign another variable. For instance, we create a variable age and assign it a value of 10. So this is how the assignment operator works. You simply assign the value on the right side of the assignment operator to the variable on the left side. So now age contains value 10 and name contains value Mike. So this is how assignment operator works. Next, you have an operator add and assign. The add and assign operator basically works on numeric data. What it does is basically the add and assign operator simply adds the two variables and then assigns the result to the variable on the left. So for instance, you have a variable num1 with the value of 10 and another variable num2 which has a value 5. If you apply assign operators, add and assign, it will be like this: plus is equal to num2. So what this add and assign operator does, this is add and assign operator, it will add num1 and num2, and the result of the addition will be stored in the num1 variable. So basically, add and assign operator adds the two variables and then simply assigns the results of the addition to the variable on the left side of the add and assign operator. So if you look at print num1, it now contains 15. So in other words, this line of code is equal to this is for comment, num1 is equal to num1 plus num2. So this is how add and assign operator works. Next, we have subtract and assign. Subtract and assign is very similar to add and assign. What it does is it subtract the second variable from the first one, from the variable on the left, and then assign the result to the variable on the left. So we can simply copy and paste it here. This is the subtract and assign operator. What it will does is it will subtract num2 from num1, that the result will be 5, and the result will be stored in the num1 variable. So this line basically is equal to this line. So if you print num1, you will see 5 in the results. So this is how subtract and assign operator works. Next, you have multiply and assign operator. Again, this is similar to add and assign, and subtract and assign. It basically multiplies the two variables or the two constant and then assign the results to the variable on the left hand side of the multiply and assign operator. So we can copy and paste this. The multiply and assign operator is static equal to, which is equal to this. Now what this line will do, it will multiply 10 into 5, which is 50, and then assign the result to num1. So in the output you can see 50. Divide and assign, again very similar to multiply and assign. We can simply copy and paste this. This is the divide and assign operator, which is equal to this line of code. What it will does is 10 will be divided by 5. Here we have 10, we have 5. 10 will be divided by 5 and the result will be 2, which is stored in num1 variable, and in the output you will see 2. Take mod and assign. It again performs two operations. First it will take mod and then assign the result to the variable on the left hand side. We can again copy and paste this. The mod and assign operator is this one. So what it does is it will take the remainder of 10 when it is divided by 5. The result will be 0 and the result will be stored in the num1 variable. So you will see 0 in the output. Finally, we have exponent and assign. It takes the exponent of the variable on the left to the power of the variable on the right and stores the results to the variable on the left. I know it is a bit tricky, but when you see it with the help of an example, it will be very clear. So this is the exponent and assign operator. What it will do is it will take the power of 10 raised to the power 5 and the result will be stored in the num1 variable. So 10 raised to the power 5 is, I think, 10 into 10 to 10 into 10 is 10,000 or 100,000. You can see the value. Yeah, this is 100,000. So basically, these are the assignment operators in Python. They are very simple to use. They are used to assign and add and assign. It performs two operations: first add and then assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, take mod and assign, and take exponent and assign. So if you like the video, click the like button. If you have any comment, you can ask them in the comment section. And finally, if you like the video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel so that I keep making more videos for you. Thank you.